Tejal,
हाँ जी सर।
Anthony, are you there? Yes, Anthony is there. Anthony, can you come a little bit forward? Want to see your face? Yeah, yeah.
हेलो एंथनी।
Hello, Anthony. Can you hear us?
काजल
Speak. Mute,
स्माइली
mute,
वाला
mute,
फोटो
mute,
एक तो
mute.
ले लो मेरा।
म्यूट करते रे बाबा, म्यूट को हटाओ।
हटा दिया अंकल।
हाँ तेजल, हाँ ठीक है। एक मिनट मैडम, वो म्यूट को हटाओ ना, म्यूट को हटाओ ना, म्यूट में कर रहा है तब से। हाँ हाँ तेजल,
जी सर।
अच्छा आपका कैमरा ऑन कीजिए। क्या बहुत अंधेरा है, एकदम सन्नाटा है, क्या बात है? ओके, आई हैव तेजल एंड एंथनी विथ मी. They are the visual impaired singers. Right from they have done 4 shows. They have done 3 shows with me. So they are going to do the 4th show also in the month of December. So we'd like to hear from them only. It is all they will take the honors today.
Wonderful,
Anthony,
wonderful. That's a great idea. This is a great suggestion. We are looking forward to listen to these talented singers.
yes, Dinesh bhai, thank you so much. Anthony, please start with you. We would like to have one short song from you.
Yes, sir.
We would like to have a short song from you. Any song, short
Yes,
song.
okay. मेरी भीगी भीगी सी पलकों में रह गए, जैसे मेरे सपने बिखर के, जले मन तेरा से मिलन को अनामिक।
Wonderful going, wonderful going. Keep it up, keep it up, keep going.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice.
Wonderful, wonderful. Keep it up,
Very
keep it
nice,
up.
very nice.
Thank you.
Yes. Tegal, yes. Sajil bhai, कहीं पर आओ से एक छोटा सा गीत गाइए।
Very proud of you. Tejal now.
किसी की ओर से ना इको आ रहा है।
डबल आ रहा है।
हाँ मतलब
एक
किसने
साथ
डबल ज्वाइन
बैठे,
किया होगा तो
एक साथ बैठे हैं, अगर दोनों ने ज्वाइन किया तो आएगा वो।
हाँ तो इको आता है।
ठीक है, आप गाइए, शुरू कीजिए।
लग जा गले के फिर
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
हंसी रात न हो, शायद रस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो,
Fantastic.
शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले
Superb.
A big round of applause.
थैंक यू।
First talent should be tapped, I feel, madam. They have to be given the right place. नहीं बिल्कुल, सिर्फ आप लोग का भी सपोर्ट चाहिए ना मैडम। एक आदमी से इवेंट नहीं होता है, सब मिलजुल के करते हैं।
बैंग ऑन शिवराम जी, बैंग ऑन।
सही। मैं बोला यही गाएंगे आज, मैं नहीं गाऊंगा। That honors belong to them.
हमने इनको लाइव भी सुना है, आई अंडरस्टैंड।
यस, इसके लिए तो मैं लाया आज वापस।
ऑब्लाइज्ड, प्लेजर।
सही।
वी विल रॉक।
Thank you so much.
Yes, 1 second, madam. Okay. So this, I'm unable to get my screen. Wait a
We are
moment.
able to see. We are able to see.
No, no, no. I have some problem. 1 second. Okay. No, 1 second, madam. I'm unable to see, madam. हाँ जी, काजल जी. Where's the screen?
We are able to see the concert poster.
No, I am not able to see.
You are also there.
So Shivram, if there are more number of people, you have to swipe the attendees, this thing, windows. Only then you might see it.
I have to go to minimize the video. What?
No. Just swipe left or
ऐसे
right.
swap करो, swap करो.
Swipe karo, swipe karo, and then see.
हाँ,
In
now I
one of the
got it.
windows.
Got it. Just take it backwards, madam. Just take it backwards, please.
Yes.
Backwards. पीछे और पीछे. नहीं. These are all you're taking in the front. पीछे हो जाओ.
Next
Yeah.
slide खोलो. Next.
और पीछे. हाँ. ये हो गया था. हाँ. This first. Yeah. We start from here. As a co-organizer, 7 June 2023 in Dr. Kashinath Ganikar Hall. This was with 10 blind singers and 10 blind musicians. Tejal and Anthony was also part of it when I was a co-organizer. Next slide. नहीं नेक्स्ट नहीं, ये तो पीछे हो गया मैडम. नहीं, yeah. These are some of the pictures of the blind musicians and blind singers at Kashinath Ganikar Hall, Thane. Next slide. This was the second show at Lata Mangeshkar Auditorium at Meera Road of 10 blind singers and 10 blind musicians. Anthony and Tejal also were part of it. Next slide. This was felicitation for me from one of the social workers out there at Meera Road. And this was on the 21st of November when I started as a organizer at Matunga Mysore Hall. It was a tribute for the 100th birth anniversary of Devanand. So this was a commercial show. Next, these are the ticketings of that show which took place on the 21st of November 2023. This was a workshop with Don Bosco with Dr. Rahim Khan on the 7th of March on the theoretical workshops that we had done at Nerul. This was on 28th of April at Borivali with Singing Dilse with Poonamji. Kajal ma'am was present. Tejal was also present. Hetal was also present over there. This was of 6 blind musicians and 2 visual impaired singers, a social and noble cause event. They're all esteemed celebrities, guests. These are all the contributors who made for the April 28th, April 2024. And some of the associate partners, eminent personalities, not to forget Hetal Jujare was one of the associate partners that time. This. Those are sponsorships of the companies who were part of 2024. The ticketings that took place in the range of 200 and 250. This is some of the pictures of the felicitation guest of honor for the team. To one of the team. These are the pictures of 28th April of all the felicitations of all the visual impaired singers and disabled artists. These were the people who represented for the visual impaired singers: Rahul Rathod, Abha Gupta, Anthony Fernandez, Saifullah, Karan Balani and Tejal Vyas. And you have disabled artists Dheeraj Sharma and Vijay Navneet who were there on the 20th April 2024. Ably supported by the esteemed singers Deepanjali Roy, Piyali Lahiri, Prashant Kharat, Bharat Ahire, Mansi Prakash and Snehal Kelkar, with our professional head, a musical professional team head, Rajan Kumbhavnekar and his team. This is some of the celebrity pictures. One with Mr. Dilip Vangsarkar, the cricketer. One with Prachi Shah and Soumya Verma at events. So pipeline pending projects. Now we have 15 pipeline pending projects for the social and noble cause event, all theme based for visual impaired singers and disabled artists with esteemed singers and esteemed musicians already drafted. What is the estimated targeted plan? 4 events in different venues and auditorium per year. So 3 months per event to cover up the entire sponsorship and ticketings for the projected estimated cost per event. And estimated time of completion for 15 projects is 16 months. So the upcoming project, the very important project, Dil Pukare Aare Aare, very close to my heart, SD Barmanda and Panchamda. And thanks to Amit sir, it was the suggestion of Amit sir in Pune, who told me let's have a show at Pune. So we are coming up in third week of December. Now the talks are going on. So by 20th we should know the results when we get the dates and all. So it will be finalized. So all details will be finalized and will be projected to the team. My specific ask for this project: contacts and connects in Pune for upcoming project in December through sponsorship and ticketings and for the company logo branding. Sponsorship details can be shared in the WhatsApp with the services that we provide to each and every fellow entrepreneurs, individuals. It can be shared in the WhatsApp. A detailed other asks. Yeah, please. What are the other asks? Other asks all over India and overseas will be wedding planners, housing societies for events all over Pan India, banquet hall, musical events, courtyard halls, musical events, event management companies, Pan India and overseas for joint venture partnerships and collaborations, embassies worldwide who promotes musical and cultural events regularly, connects of Indian community and associations overseas, dance choreographers, music studio owners and companies, album recordists. Entrepreneur current collaboration with Saira Musical Events. Mr. Amit Malhotra of one of the business platform has collaborated for free graphology, free signature analysis, and free law of attraction course for all the visual impaired singers, disabled artists, esteemed singers, esteemed musicians, esteemed anchor and families, and all fellow entrepreneurs of any business forum and families associated with Saira Musical Events. Here I want to make a mention about this. It is a very unique concept which is started by me now. So now Amit ji also will be a part of the event, also will be giving a contribution and also the services that he is going to provide. So in addition to that, the value that he has created amongst our Saira Musical Events company as an organization and the whole team for my esteemed singers, for the esteemed musicians, for the visual impaired singers and disabled artists and the esteemed anchors and to the entire business fraternity that he is providing. So what will Amit ji benefit from it? So in case there is a private show, so any private shows that will be there apart from the auditorium shows, we will project him already in the auditorium shows in his banner. We will do it selflessly from our side. We will put Amit Malhotra's name, his logo, and his number so that it adds more value. And in one way, a business is also collaborated for him through the private shows also for him. And it is not only for Amit ji also, anybody whosoever is coming and forming a part of this, who's also, in case, for example, Hetal is contributing 25,000 for this project. Okay, she will also get all the rights and facilities of the 25,000 for this project as per the sponsorships. In addition to that, she will also be felicitated and she'll also be on the stage. And apart from that, all Hetal's photos, Hetal's logo, Hetal's phone number will also be reflected in all the banners of the private shows for the next subsequent events. Now, in case in the next event, by chance, Hetal says, I will not contribute, but she will give referrals of 5%. But that 5% also will be put up. And at the same time, Hetal has created value for Saira Musical Events, a win-win situation for Saira Musical Events as well as for the whole team. So she will be a part also of all the private shows which will be done selflessly with her logo, with her name as well as the photo. This unique concept we have brought over here to facilitate all our fellow entrepreneurs who are going to be a part of Saira Musical Events. It is going to be done on a very big scale now because I have thought about it now. Even the fellow entrepreneurs also need to be gelled up. They also need a lot of collaborations. So this is the unique concept we have come out with.
A great way to help all the disabled souls, all the singers,
So
artists.
apart from Amit Malhotra who has come up with some suggestion, anybody like Hetal or anybody would like to have some suggestions for the team, we have a win-win situation for Saira Musical Events, a win-win situation for the Saira Musical team, as well as for the fellow entrepreneurs. We all should have a win-win situation. That's what is my, perspective of thinking. So, you have anything to say on this? No, it's just Anthony's journey.
Yes. Actually, I started singing from first standard. I was having a habit to sing from first. Uh, yeah, supporting me as how supporting me good in singing. I get a lot of support and I like to sing also. So my family also supports me in singing. No, 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 no.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely inspired by both of them, and looking forward to whenever you have the next event, Shivram, let me know.
Certainly, sir. No,
Certainly,
we are
sir.
coming on.
No,
We are
we are
coming in
coming. We are coming
December.
in December.
You are an
You
integral
are an
part of
integral
the.
part of
You are
the. You
integral
are
part of
integral part of
our family.
our family. Yes, yes, absolutely. No, but it will be our pleasure and honor to listen to these very, very talented kids here.
Most welcome,
Wonderful. Most
Dinesh bhai.
welcome,
Most
Dinesh bhai.
welcome
Most
anytime.
welcome. And great job being done by you, Shivram. Really appreciate.
I would like
I
to
would
add
like to
something,
add something,
Shivramji.
Shivramji.
Yes, please.
As we have a very good connect today in our session, Mr. Dinesh ji, I recommend to bring in Mr. Shankar Mahadevan as one of the chairperson or one of the person supporting this event, which will definitely give hands and wings to the musical industry, especially for disabled artists. And definitely, he is a big boon for all the singers. But for the niche community, micro niche community, at least we can have his bites or if his testimonials, if his words as in video, a 20-second video, if he's very busy to come in personal, we can at least get him on the platform of Saira musical events.
Certainly, I'm open to it, Dinesh bhai. Because of his work commitments, I said I'll have a word with you on this. So, being your brother-in-law, Mr. Shankar Madhavan Sahab is most welcome with the entire family.
Yes, I've noted. I've noted that, and we'll
It will
work
be a
towards
great,
this
it will
for
be a
sure.
great pleasure. Even your son also, Swamik, also join us. One of the music composers.
Yes,
We
yes, I
can
will. I will
develop,
work that out also in one of
we
the
You're
days
can,
for
most
sure.
welcome. There's no formalities for this, and we have a great bonding and camaraderie, both of us. So we can certainly do it. So it's only a time factor. I know time is the biggest constraint for Shankarji. So to understand. So let's see how things work out. We'll have a meeting together and we'll work it out.
Yes, yes, completely agree.
Yes, madam.
but
Story is
I
some.
can remember each memory, each minute of that show. I get goosebumps with that songs.
नहीं उसका उसके दो गाने थे, एक तो मेरे ख्वाबों में जो है और हवा हवाई के टाइम पे किसी ने तेजल को भी स्टेज में पैसे दिए थे, मुझे याद है. And she stole the show, and the musician sitting at the backside, when he heard Tejal's song initially, he said, यार मेरे को भी बजाना है. And then he whispered in my ears. मैं इसके वजह से बहुत ओवर एक्साइटेड हो गया, इसके लिए अच्छा से बजाया. That musicians were excellent, far excellent, but very classic. And Anthony's song of Jadoo Teri Nazar has really created a lot of furore in Pune among our business associates. So they are. एंथनी आपसे कुछ पूछ रहे. जादू तेरी नजर.
तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन, जादू तेरी नजर, खुशबू तेरा बदन, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण, तू है मेरी किरण.
Beautiful, beautiful, wonderful, superb.
Thank you.
ગુજરાતી છે, ગુજરાતી છે.
Tejas Gujarati છે, આવી જાઓ, આવી જાઓ. Gujarati
બેટા
song, can you sing Gujarati song?
Yes.
Please
કાલે
sing Halero.
गुजराती भजन गा सकती हूँ मैं.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, गा लो, गा लो, गा लो, 2 लाइन गा लो.
दयाना सागर थईने, कृपारे निधान थईने, तूने भगवान केवलो पण राम तमे પિતાજીની તોલે નાઓ મારા રામ તમે પિતાજીની તોલે નાઓ સોળે શણગાર સજી મંદિરને દ્વાર તમે ફૂલને ચંદનથી છો પૂજાવો પણ રામ તમે પિતાજીની તોલે નાઓ મારા રામ તમે પિતાજીની તોલે નાઓ.
Excellent, excellent.
Very nice,
Brilliant,
very nice.
Thank you.
brilliant, brilliant, Tejal.
मैं जब छोटी थी 1.5-2 साल की, तो मतलब कैसेट पुराने जमाने में हुआ करते थे, और मैं भगवान के भजन सुन सुन के याद करके मंदिरों में, जैसे महिला मंडल लोगों का भजन होता है, उसमें गाया करती थी, और तब से ही मेरी शुरुआत हुई. फिर स्कूल जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया, तो कुछ सेकेंड या थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड से ही मुझे स्टेज शो मिलने लगे स्कूल में से ही, और मैंने इस तरह से फिर आगे म्यूजिक में ही बीए एमए किया है, और मैंने लाइट म्यूजिक में विशारद किया है, और बहुत सारे थिएट्रिकल शोज मैंने किए हैं मुंबई में, छोटे से बड़े तक हर थिएटर में मैंने शोज किए हैं. और अभी फिलहाल तो बस यही.
अभी इवेंट्स का हिस्सा हो, अभी हिस्सा हो गया आप, है ना.
Yes, little bit I am playing tabla, yeah, rhythmic instrument. मतलब
जी. मैं क्या गाऊं, मेरा मार्क सब उनको ही दे दिया मैंने. मैं देशभक्ति से गाता हूँ. चल कोई बात नहीं, आपने बोल दिया, मैं गाता हूँ. ऐ गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे,
ये देखिए इसका तो ये बिजनेस है
मेरे
सब कुछ यार,
गाँव में
अपने
है
को
जो
बावन करके इवेंट्स
वो
में सपोर्ट
गली
करना है, सबको
जहाँ
मैक्सिमम कर दो।
रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम दे, उसे मेरे प्यार का जाम
मेरे को तो बहुत
दे,
इंटरेस्ट है इसको करने के लिए।
वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा, मेरे घर में है मेरी बूढ़ी माँ, मेरे माँ के पैरों को छू के तो उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे, ऐ गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्त तो मेरे दिलरुबा, मेरी माँ को मेरा प्याम दे, उन्हें जाके तू ये प्याम दे, मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, खैर अपने गाँव में किसी की छाओ में, के माँ के आंचल से गाँव के पीपल से किसी के काजल से किया जो वादा आओ निभाऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा, मैं एक दिन आऊंगा. This was dedicated for all the warriors, all for the warriors. No.
Yeah,
Yes,
can you hear
please.
me?
Yes, I can hear you, Nitin, Dr. Nitin.
Yeah, हमारा बात हुआ था याद है 3 दिन पहले
3 दिन
कॉल
पहले बात हो गई थी, डॉक्टर नितिन बोलिए ना सर, आप कैमरा में आएंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा मुझे.
ओके हमारा बात हुआ था क्या मेरे
करेक्ट
कम्युनिटीज पे मैं आपको ये करूँगा प्रमोट करूँगा मैंने बोला था
जी,
मेरे जो फेसबुक पेजेस है चैनल्स है
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
पॉडकास्ट वाला है मेरा उस पे मैं आपको
जी.
सपोर्ट करूँगा मैंने बताया था आप तुमने बोला मुझे डेट फाइनल होगी तो मैं आपको बोलता हूँ
डेट फाइनल क्योंकि अमित जी भी है मेरे कबल, एक बार डेट फाइनलाइज हो गया आफ्टर 20th अगस्त वी आर गोइंग देयर, सो वंस द डेट इज फाइनलाइज एक फ्लायर बन जाएगा उसका, एक क्लियर कट फाइनलाइज हो जाएगा, हॉल का भी ये सब ऑल डिटेल्स विल बी फर्निश्ड, देन इट इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल आउट अटैक. So I will also shoot it to everybody. So how whatever see whatever support is there, because now I'm Dr. Nitin. I'm not saying from only for this event point of view, because I want to be a part of Saira musical events, also the part of family, as a fellow entrepreneur, as a social philanthropist, so that you get connected all with all the people also among our fellow entrepreneurs as well.
I
So that
told
is
you
the
now
objective.
about my community. We have formed a smart community. Now
Correct,
28
correct,
groups
correct,
within my community,
correct, correct.
and 22 will be line up in future.
Certainly, certainly.
Yeah, so all business profiles members are there in my
It's very
community.
kind of you, Dr. Nitin. Very
Yeah,
kind of you. Certainly meet you
okay.
once the date is finalized.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Sir, sir,
हाँ बोलो.
yes, I want to sing a song about the Deshbhakti. Can I sing?
गाना गाना है तुमको.
Yes, sir.
हाँ गाओ ना, गाओ.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ ये दीवाने की जहाँ और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे तो जमाना माटी पे बर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो, ओ देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सदके। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Any further questions?
Shivram ji,
जी बोलिए।
we are meeting this week.
जी 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 बिल्कुल। कब है बोलिए आप मुझे।
Yes, done.
ठीक है दिनेश भाई। Madam, initially, let me be very honest with you. When I started as an organizer as a commercial event, so I felt that that is not adding up to my value because I had done two shows as co-organizers for the visual impaired and blind singers. So henceforth, all my projects will be social and noble cause event only projecting the visual impaired artists and the disabled artists. So now, with respect to the training, we have in terms of we normally we talk over the phone, which Anthony with Tejal, they record and they send it to our musical head, and then he makes corrections, and then we have a rehearsal, pre-rehearsal before the show, one rehearsal. So they will come live and they will perform there. The greatest trait about this people, visual impaired singers, which I have noticed, and even the musicians have pointed out for me, is that they are able to quickly grasp, even if a mistake is made by the musician, they are quickly able to grasp and correct the musician, which even a normal singer does not do that. So I have seen in all the shows, I personally witnessed it from these talented people. They have got a really a very huge, I don't know what you can say, sixth sense or whatever you call it. This great trait of these people is going to reach them for greater heights. It's very cool. I consider them. I don't consider them as a visual impaired or something. I am putting at par with my normal singers. So I've told my normal singers also, you will be also treated equally. They'll also be treated equally. There is no discrimination. It's a social entrepreneurship organization. So everybody is treated at par.
Wonderful, wonderful.
People,
We are touched with the story, and to be honest, it is a great cause.
no, this is
And
going to
the most
this is not
important
going to
is
stop.
we
This
are
is not going to
thankful to
stop.
Lakshmi Shivram also, who has always been your support. In fact, your backbone for the events.
No, no. Even I'm doing it by my own. She's just coming as a supporter.
Support, support.
Uh, family have, of course. Uh, I'm planning for, see, I've got, as I told you, 15 projects, 16 projects in hand. So the 16th one will be at Pune. So after that, May we are coming up at Vishnudas Bhave Auditorium of Kishorda. Now it is going to be a full pack because it is going to be a very jam packed 1,200 sitting capacity. So these are two pipelines now as of now, which is very concrete. Because as I told you, ma'am, my projected plan is to have 4 events in a year. That is the full-fledged events in auditorium, and apart from that, the private shows, which also even the our guys will perform, visual impaired or the normal singers, they will perform. But my main focus is 4 events in a year in an auditorium. So we are going to explore all over Pan India, and yes, given an opportunity, we are also ready to go for overseas. And I'm sure with all your connects, even with business binders, I think you'll also associate with overseas. So I think that will also give a big boost for us in the ensuing future. And Bhupesh is on. Please unmute yourself. क्या मैडम आप मेरे को किशोरदा के पीछे नहीं छोड़ रहे। प्यारे बंधु ओ मेरे संगीत प्रेमियों, मेरे संगीत प्रेमियों, ओ मेरे नाना नानियों, मेरे दादा दादियों, मेरे नाना नानियों, मेरे दादा दादियों, मेरे काका काकियों, मेरे मामा मामियों, मेरे काका काकियों, मेरे मामा मामियों, मेरे बच्चे बच्चियों, मेरे यारो यारियों, आप सबको साई राम म्यूजिकल इवेंट्स फाउंडर शिवराम का सप्रेम नमस्कार। हम जो यहाँ हे हम जो यहाँ आज इस वेबिनार में अटेंड कर रहे हैं, ये काजल मैम और बिजनेस बाइंडर्स का प्यार है, उपहार है, आशीर्वाद है, और साथ साथ लक्ष्मी शिवराम का उपहार है। ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा चमत्कार है। लेकिन हमारे बिजनेस बाइंडर्स ने आज जो वेबिनार किया है, सलाम करते हैं पूरे टीम को, तो इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये सब मेरा खुद का, ये मेरा खुद का लिरिक्स है। आई राइट ऑल्सो, आई राइट व्हेन आई फील बोर्ड, आई राइट। वो स्टेज आ जाता था, फॉरगेट माय हाउस एवरीथिंग, द स्टेज इज एवरीथिंग फॉर मी, एज शेक्सपियर सेड, आई लव माय स्टेज वेरी मच। Bhupesh sir, you have any question for me, please? Yes, yes, yes. We have a team specially designed for that. As I told you, Navneet is there, but as of now, we are not exposing them because uh, for some reasons they are saying that they still want to professionalize themselves little more, so they will come back again. But I think over a period of time, once that is done, within 6 months from now, we will also do blind musics also for them, with blind musicians and blind singers. They need some time to improvise. Hello. Yeah, we are taking only those people who have been not given a chance by the organizers. The other organizers have humiliated. They can come back to me. But we don't we believe only on three core principles. One is great music. We believe in strong bonding and camaraderie among our musicians, among our esteemed singers, visual impaired, blind artists, and partial disabled artists. And we have want to have mutual respect among each and everybody. We will not encourage those people who are coming there to abuse people. They will be thrown out. I'm telling you very crystal clear. We want to have a mutual respect, camaraderie, and bonding, so that we gel together as a team. So that's what I want. So we are ready for that, sir. So you can also recommend us people who are still in the music field, and singers, musicians who have not been given the ample chance and opportunities. They can approach me. Most welcome. We will audition them and we will certainly look into it. Struggling in life, struggling in life. Let me put it one way. One thing to you, Mr. Bhupesh. Saira Musical Events also has come up with the idea of not only providing a musical platform for this disabled artist and visual impaired artists, but we also have a mission to give them a job also. Let me put it that way, and create a career for them. So, my talks are also going on. Tejal also searching for a job. We are trying hard, but we are not getting the links, proper links. So anybody also from the forum who can help us out with some links, which can create job for this so challenging people, that will be of immense help, and it will be of big boost to them. I, as of now, no, madam, because I have approached National School of Blind. I have also approached an NGO called Pragati Foundation, which is there somewhere in Airoli, and they have only been giving us glib talks, but nothing has been materialized so far. I also understand that companies also have got CSR funds, corporate social responsibility funds, but nothing is getting materialized on that. So even if anybody could help us out how to go about it, and something can be worked out on it, because we are not looking only from the short term perspective, we are also looking from the long term perspective, so that we could help these people in a very big way. Sir, yes, I've also known about it, but we are not getting the right elevation. I've approached one or two people out there, but the response has been very cold. So they said we will see, we'll look into it. I don't know what is the hidden agenda behind it. I'm putting forward my thoughts, so that probably you can also find a pathway for me, and anybody out, the people who have sat here today, probably they have much more better ideas how it can be worked out. I'm open to that.
Yeah, I know one NGO. Okay, they are taking care of like tribals and everything. I'll just check with him. So has any plan for this musical event also? That would be good collaboration for you.
That'll be fine. That'll be fine.
Okay. They stay in NRI colony, so that would be very nice connecting activity for you.
So we can have a chat with them, like how to go about it.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just talk to him and get connected. He's my client.
आप सभी से बात करके और सभी के थॉट्स जान के और आप सभी की राय जान के मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा और बस ये शुरुआत है अभी तो हम लोग आपने जो पूछा मैम कि गवर्नमेंट की ओर से कोई हेल्प मिलती नहीं अभी इतना धीरे-धीरे मतलब अभी शुरुआत हो रही है तो अभी जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे तो उसमें कुछ हो सकता है शायद मेरे ख्याल से और आपने एक चीज़ कही कि किसी की सोसाइटी में कोई छोटा-मोटा फंक्शन्स है, जैसे अभी गणपति होते हैं किसी के घर में डेढ़-डेढ़ दिन के, उसमें भी अगर आप किसी इंडिविजुअल को बुलाना चाहो, आपको अगर अपने इधर कोई फंक्शन रखना है छोटा-सा, तो ये जो आपने अपील की वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि बड़ा तो होते रहता है, वो होने में टाइम लगता है। तो ये जो छोटा-छोटा है ना इवेंट मतलब छोटे-छोटे जो शो हैं, उससे भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है मतलब उसी से ही आगे बढ़ा जा सकता है। तो ये जो छोटे-छोटे शोज़ हैं, अगर हमें मिला करेंगे, तो हमारा जो इनकम सोर्स है क्योंकि यही एक ज़रिया है हमारा जो हमारी थोड़ी बहुत जो हमें कला कुदरत ने बख्शी है, उसको प्रेज़ेंट करके ही ये ज़रिया है हमारा इनकम अपने लिए उपलब्ध कराने का। तो आपकी ये जो अपील थी वो मुझे अच्छी लगी और मैं भी यही कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर ऐसे छोटे-मोटे आपके घर में किसी का बर्थडे है, आपको कुछ ऐसे आधे 1 घंटे के लिए शो करना है, वो मैं वन मैन शो भी करती हूँ मतलब कराओके पे। इसमें अभी आजकल बहुत लोग कराओके पे शो करते हैं। मतलब बड़े-बड़े इवेंट्स होने से अच्छा छोटे-छोटे इवेंट्स से शुरू करेंगे तो आगे चल के बड़े भी हो ही जाएँगे। तो मुझे इतना ही कहना था। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ji. Certainly, Bhupesh, I'll be in touch with you. You can take my number also. It's 9920364949. You can connect me to WhatsApp. We'll have a chat on this. Okay, Bhupesh. Ashok sir is there. Ashok sir, good evening. Ashok sir, are you there?
Yeah, now you're hearing me?
Yes, good evening, sir. Ashok sir. Ashok
Good,
Panwani sir.
good evening.
Yes, sir. Ashok sir, please introduce yourself.
This is my Ashok Panjwani, and I am with one business platform with Shivram. So we met there at that same platform since 6 months, I think. 6 months
Yeah,
before we met.
1 year almost.
Yeah, 1 year almost. Yeah. So I was just entered half an hour back, 20 minutes back. I was in the middle of the meeting, so I couldn't enter at the right time at 9 o'clock. But I understood the things, so I'll do my best for you.
Yeah,
Okay, immediately in the Pune event,
yes,
and
sir. Please do tell about yourself too, about your company.
my company. See, my name is Ashok Panjwani. I am vice president to the company. They are the main developer of a Dholera SR First High Tech Smart City of India. It's an Ahmedabad-based company, and that project is by the central government. And I am looking after the globe, and just a simple person. Nothing more to add, Shivram.
No, I know you're humble and doubting.
Great knowing you in person.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
We
so much.
learned
Yeah.
from you that we have to be always take up small work. We have to
Thank you
go
so much,
ahead in
ma'am.
life. Thank you.
Thank
Great
you.
learning.
Uh,
Yeah.
Thank
Good
you to
night, everyone.
all. Thank you to all of you who have joined this and made it a memorable webinar.